In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quotation in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or manage a larger operation, knowing how to navigate and utilize the tools in Zoho Books can significantly streamline your sales process. Let's dive into it and break it down step by step to make the process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find various categories that will help you manage your finances. Here, select Sales and then click on Quotes. This section is dedicated to helping you create and manage all the quotes your business sends out. Now that you're in the Quotes section, it's time to start a new quote. Look up to the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see a bright plus New button. Give it a click, and you'll be set to begin. This is essentially your blank canvas, ready to be filled with all the specific details you need for your quotation. Next, let's move on to entering the customer information. At the top of the form, you'll notice a drop-down menu allowing you to select the customer for whom you're making the quote. If your customer is already in the system, just pick their name from the list. No stress if they're not. Zoho Books makes it easy to add new customers directly from this screen too. With the customer details entered, it's time to focus on the specifics of your quote. Starting from the top, you'll see that a quote number is auto-generated. However, if you've set up custom numbers in your settings, you can edit this. Add any internal reference number if necessary. The quote date is automatically set to today's date, but you can adjust it to reflect your needs. Similarly, you'll need to set the expiry date, which indicates how long the quote is valid. Make sure this date is aligned with your business policy or agreements you have with your customer. Assign a salesperson who will be responsible for this quote by selecting their name from the drop-down menu. Next up is adding the actual items and services. In the Quoted Items section, pick the item or service from the drop-down list. Then enter the quantity and unit price. If you need to add more items, simply click plus Add Row. This allows you to accumulate as many items as necessary without missing a beat. Don't forget to detail any specific terms and conditions in the designated field before finalizing the quotation. It's essential these are clear, as they outline what you and your customer have agreed upon. Finally, it's time to save all your hard work. You have the option to click Save as Draft if you're not ready to send it yet, or Save and Send to dispatch the quote to your customer's email right away. This last step brings everything together, ensuring your customer receives a professional and precise quotation, facilitating quicker and more efficient business transactions. By following these steps, creating quotations in Zoho Books becomes a seamless part of your business routine. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you found these instructions helpful.